Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a country of where you live or used to live in Bean app. To do it, click on plus in top right corner, then you can select countries, region, cities or airports. Select whichever one you want. Let's select United Kingdom and now select lived because you have an option to select been, lived or wish. I will select lived and select the start and end dates. Of course they are optional, but I will select them. So let's do it. Now you can also select types of transportation, but I think it's more for the bean option if you fly somewhere or go somewhere by train. So I won't be adding those, but feel free to just click on like a train or something else. And then you can add optional comment and click on add visit. Now you can see it is added here, and if I close it and if I click on here, then you'll see that it shows in visited and shows also in lived, but of course doesn't show in wish because it's not added to wish, but yeah, living also adds it to the bean section. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.